Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this from, and welcome to my YouTube page. My name is Eric, and thanks to everyone that have subscribed, liked, and shared my videos. And if you're new on my page, kindly subscribe, very much appreciated. In today's video, I'm going to speak about some of the diseases that are known in the livestock industry, especially with sheep and goats. I looked on YouTube when I first started my farming, tried to get as much as information as I could. That was very difficult, to find it on YouTube. I had to look in different sources, different places, and it wasn't easy. So I've tried my best to put in a small slideshow at the end of this video, explaining in depth details of some of the diseases like PPR, like sheeppox, like anthrax, external and internal parasites, some of the precautions, some of the treatment, and some of the stuff that you can do or put in place to help you avoid these sort of diseases on your flock or in your farm. So at the end of the video, take time, compose it, take notes. Anything that you don't understand, send me a message. I'll be more than happy to reply back to you and give as much as information as I can. Or I can send you the link of all the links that I found this information from, just so that you can help educate yourself. One thing that I'm going to say is, if you're in the livestock industry, whether it's yourself or you got a farm manager running the farm on a day-to-day basis, you have to educate you or them as much as possible so that they can spot the signs of any disease or any outbreak, just so that they can isolate that animal or that sick animal as quickly as possible to prevent the diseases spreading to the rest of your flock, just to avoid losses. And losses at the end of it is money. Livestock industry, production is your profit. So you don't want to lose your production, so you don't want to lose your profit, because you want to feel like you're moving forward, you're going somewhere. And if you put these measures in place, it will help you prevent some of these outbreaks or some of these diseases affecting your flock or your farm. So thank you very much for taking an interest. Again, it's just a quick short video that I thought, let me just try and put it together. And even if I can help one person learn from this, I'll be more than happy, because we all learning. I'm learning, you're learning, and we learn from each other. So the more that I can help, the happier that I will be, because we've still got a lot to learn when it comes to the sheep or the livestock industry in Africa in the whole. We've got a lot more to learn. We've got a long way to go, because a lot of the things that we do is still stuck in the old school ways, that our ancestors, our great grandfathers used to do it, and that's how we're still doing it. We need to move forward, and we need to change our ways just to be able to improve the quality of meat, the animals, and the numbers that we keep on our farm. So again, thank you very much for taking an interest. I hope you have a wonderful day. And at the end of the video, take time, read through the notes. And anything that you need to know, you're more than welcome to send me a message or drop in a comment, and I'll reply back to you as quickly as possible. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.